Can this underrated tool really beat Mixamo in rigging? Let's find out. Step 1. Selecting the character and export it. Take your T-pose character, select all the object, and then go to Export FBX and make sure all these settings are matching. Step 2. Download and install AccuRIG. Visit the ActorCore page from Reillusion, and there you will get a download option for AccuRIG. Download it according to your device type. Step 3. Rig the character. After installing, open AccuRIG and load the FBX file of the character that you just exported from Blender. Then there will be next stage, which is check model. Make sure your mesh is symmetric and the middle line is on the perfect location. Then click on Rig Body and wait for a while. After some times, you will see some points have appeared. Relocate them according to your character's hand, shoulder, elbow, feet, groin, chin, etc. You can see the perfect location for that specific point on the upper right side. After you have pulsed all the points on the body, move to hand rigging. Select the number of fingers 5, and again wait for a while. Now fix all the finger points location according to the guideline on the upper right corner. It was already placed in almost accurate position. I just had to refine the points roughly. For the thumb bone, maintain the middle joint's pointer direction carefully. Now do the same for the left hand. And finally press Finalize Character. After some wait moment, you will see the rigging is done and you can view your rig on AccuRIG already. Next, press Upload to ActorCore if you want to bring some animations from ActorCore, else you can just export from here. I will bring some animations from ActorCore, so I exported it to ActorCore and then loaded with animation. Here I combined the actor with a dance movement. Wow, what a dance! And then downloaded the file from ActorCore in 30 FPS and for Blender. Step 4. Install AccuRIG add-on in Blender. To get the control rig from this AccuRIG, you need to have an add-on in Blender. I will attach a link in the description. After you download, go to Edit, Preference, Install, then select the add-on and press Install, then enable the add-on. Open the add-on from right side and select Rigify, and then click on Import Character and import your AccuRIGed character. It will automatically be converted into IK-Rig. You can see the IK-Rig is already here, and wow, see its dancing moves. Then finally, I relocated the textures and made it ready for the rendering. And that's how much it's easier for any sort of humanoid rig in AccuRIG. And the best part is it's completely free. I suggest you give it a try and let us know your comment, how easy it was for you to rig your character.